Hello, I hope you're all having a wonderful day today. I wanted to make a video about some products that you never knew that you needed until now. I'm gonna go through each product one at a time and I'm gonna explain why I think that it's something that you need. Obviously, you don't have to go purchase it. This is just some advice and some products that I've had really good experience with. I'm gonna get some energy here and we'll get started. Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. So the first thing that I wanted to talk about were these pills from Love Wellness. I don't know if you've ever heard of this brand before, but they make pills and they have different uses. So the first one that I want to talk about is called Lights Out. This is a sleeping aid. So it has magnesium in it. I take one instead of two, even though the dose is 2, and it helps me fall asleep and stay asleep all night. So I think it's a really great tool, especially if you're one of those people that has a hard time falling asleep and staying asleep and also getting a good night's. Another product from Love Wellness is their Bye Bye Bloat. I bloat so bad and so easily, and it really is discouraging for me, especially in my fitness journey, to look in the mirror and look like, you know, I have a food baby all the time. I like to take these Bye Bye Bloat pills and they kind of help with the bloating a little bit. You just take them before sleep or after a meal, whenever you would like. They help a little bit. They don't obviously get rid of all the pooch that you have because, you know, for me, I eat really bad and that's why I carry weight on my stomach. There's a lot of factors that play into that, but I do think it helps reduce the bloating just a little bit. The next product I want to talk about is something that's kind of trending. It's kind of new, but it's this facial roller and it has a large end and a small end. And all you do is roll it on your skin, little places for your nose and under your eyes. And it actually helps a lot with wrinkles and things like that. So I'm getting wrinkles on my forehead, so I purchased one of these and I've been using it in front of the TV mindlessly at night after I moisturize my face, and I think that it's helping kind of tighten up those muscles a little bit. So I think this is really nice. If that's not what you need it for, it also feels really good because you never get your face massaged, so using a tool that massages your face like feels amazing. The next thing I have are these makeup remover singles. I'll tell you that I don't think that Neutrogena is the best facial wipe for sensitive skin. It's kind of irritating, but I do like that you can have them in these little packets because you can toss them in your purse or in your car, wherever you need them. And if you need to take your makeup off when you're not at home, these will do that easy for you. So I think it's a good investment just to keep in your car. The next thing that I want to talk about is this right here. This is an electric razor, okay? My skin is so sensitive. I know I've said that a million times. When I use a razor with shaving cream, no matter how much shaving cream, it always irritates my skin. My legs will break out sometimes. Even my armpits will get irritated. I decided to invest in this tool, and it's literally a razor. It's rechargeable. Every time that I need to shave my legs or my armpits, I will go ahead and turn this on and use it. And it doesn't irritate my skin because it doesn't get a super close shave, which if that irritates you, obviously don't go for this. But if you're like me and you're tired of breaking out everywhere, if you use one of these instead of like an actual razor, it's super helpful. And honestly, I think it's cheaper than having to buy the packs of refillable razors or having to buy the new razor heads instead. So you'll make a one-time purchase and you can recharge it. Obviously, one day it's going to get dull, but I still think that you're going to be saving money. Up next is kind of a smaller item. Now, this is a higher end brand, so Fenty Beauty by Rihanna is amazing, but this is a little bit of blotting paper. Now, what blotting paper does is it takes the oils off of your skin without removing your makeup. So I like to like glow and shine, but sometimes it is sweat and I don't want that to peep through on my face. So I just take a little bit of blotting paper and I just put it on the places that are getting oily, and it takes off the oil and leaves the makeup there. That's amazing. Summer is coming up, girl, so you need to get this. If you have curly hair, tangly hair, whatever it might be, you should invest in some leave-in conditioner. It's Kristen S. I bought it from Target. It's like, it smells so amazing. It has like the best smell in the world. So do all of these products. But the leave-in conditioner actually works. My hair does get really tangly, so after I take a shower, I'll spray this in my hair, leave it in for a little bit, and I'll brush my hair out, and it's a lot easier than it would be if I didn't have it. And it's not too expensive, so if you want to give it a shot, you know, it's not like you're investing a lot of money into it. This is Dr. Bronner soap, and it has a lot of uses, but what I use it for is my chest and my back acne. I have really bad acne, especially from working out and sweating there wearing a sports bra. And this has actually cleared it up faster than anything else that I've ever used. You can also use this as like washing your dogs, washing your hair, using it on plants that keeps bugs away. You can use it in your washing machine. Like, there's so many uses for this, but it's concentrated, so you just use a little tiny bit. It lasts forever, and it's a good price, and it actually takes your acne away. This is a really good one. Next, I have one of these tools. If you know what this is, good. If you don't, I'm about to change your life. If you like to wear fake eyelashes, this makes it so much easier to apply them. You can grab onto the lash, let the glue dry a little bit, and then stick it onto your eye. When you're trying to apply lashes with your fingers or you have acrylic nails, it makes it a lot more difficult to do. So if you have one of these tools, it becomes something that doesn't seem so scary to do. Okay, so summertime is coming up. So what I want us to all invest in, because I think it just like changes your whole look for the day, whatever, if that matters to you, is investing in like a body shimmer. So I really like this one from Urban Decay. It smells just like honey. Packaging is kind of crappy, but the product, amazing. And it smells amazing. Usually we forget that like our chest and our shoulders are a little bit boring compared to our face when we do our makeup. So I think adding one of these is just really nice. Hopefully you can see that in the camera, or it looks like I just didn't put anything on. The last and final thing that I invested in, because personally, I think my lips are tiny. I wish that they were bigger. It's like my dream. I'm really too scared to get lip filler. It's just, I'm terrified that they're gonna turn out bad. So I bought one of these lip plumpers. This is by PMD Beauty. And all it is a little machine that you put up to your lips, and it's just suction. So what the suction does is just like sucks on your lips like the freaking Kylie Jenner challenge, just not as extreme. And it just makes your lips a little bit more plump. It doesn't last that long, but that's okay, because usually I just pump my lips because I want to take a good picture, or I want to apply a new lip product and I want to see what it would look like on good size lips because I don't have them. So I think this is a really fun tool, especially if you're someone like me and you like to do makeup and take pictures of it and whatnot. I wanted to make this video kind of as quick as possible because it gets boring listening to someone talk about something for too long. So if you're interested in any of these products or have more questions about them, go ahead and leave it in the comments down below and I'll get back to each and every one of you. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you next time on my channel. Bye. Oh yeah, you can subscribe if you want to, but if you don't want to, I understand. And also give it a thumbs up. But like I said, only